Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks in Excel. So let's say you want to calculate in Excel without going to Windows and start looking for your calculator app. You can just go here and type a number, let's say 50, and then you want to add it with another 50. Then you go here and you put equals to sum. You see it here. Then you select this box. So if you do that, that won't work actually. So sum, then brackets, then you click it, and then you click and drag, and then you close the bracket back. And then if you press enter, you see that it gives you the actual results. 50 plus 50 is 100. And then you see this is actually the correct answer, and you have just calculated in Excel. So let's try with the other symbols. Yes, 50 here.
Yes, and it's
50. So we're going to do the same thing. Equals to subtraction, right? Minus. Or another thing you can do is equals to, you click here, then put minus sign, and then you click here, and then you press equals to, then it actually gives you. So that's actually like the simple way. Then let's say then equals to this cell C1 times C2, and then it enters, then you see your answer. So this is actually a cool trick you can do when you're working with Excel. Divide 1. So yeah, those are some calculations you can do. And then to calculate more, these are all of these things I just did now are actually formulas, or we like call it functions. Everyone you have to start with an equal sign. Yes, everyone. And then if let's say you want to do it the long way to see everything, you go to formulas, go to a set function, then you see all. You can type the name of the function. You see, you can do average, you can do if, you can do count, you can do max. Yeah, they have some if, concatenate. You can come here and play with the ones we have here, or see ABS, all of this. You can come and play with this, or you can just be seeing how this can help make you more productive. So that's the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. Bye.